This is Real Wealth Network's 2019 Market Overview for Albuquerque, New Mexico. Albuquerque, New Mexico is a stable, affordable, and quickly growing real estate market where investors can purchase cash-flowing real income property for $120,000 to $199,000. In this video, you'll learn about the top 3 factors that make Albuquerque one of the strongest real estate markets today: affordability, stability, and job growth. Before we get to that, here's a little background information. Located in the middle of the Rio Grande Valley, Albuquerque is the most populous city in the state of New Mexico and the 32nd most populous city in the United States. People have been living in the Rio Grande Valley since as far back as 2000 BC, but the city wasn't officially founded until 1706. Albuquerque is at the center of New Mexico's technology corridor, a concentration of high-tech private companies and government institutions located along the Rio Grande River. It is also home to Intel, Sandia National Laboratories, Kirkland Air Force Base, and 4 universities. And since Netflix plans to move their new U.S. production hub into the area, we can expect even more jobs and movies to be on the horizon. Today, Albuquerque is best known for its annual balloon fiesta and is the setting for AMC's hit show Breaking Bad. Albuquerque also offers great opportunities for investors this year, especially for those who are interested in a real estate market with a stable economy where they can purchase real income properties for less than the national average and still generate solid monthly cash flow. Let's take a closer look. The median price of the average 3-bedroom home in Albuquerque was $190,000 in January 2018. This is 6% less than the median value nationwide. As of October 2018, 3-bedroom home values have risen to a median $199,000. In the neighborhoods where Real Wealth Network members invest, home values range from about $120,000 to $199,000. This is a median price of $156,000, which is 23% less than the average 3-bedroom home nationwide. This shows us that Albuquerque real estate is uniquely affordable, but this may not be the case for long. As you'll learn later in this video, the number of jobs in the metro area is growing, and as a result, rental prices will likely continue to rise. In January 2018, the median monthly rent of an average 3-bedroom home in the U.S. was $1,027, which is 0.71% of the median purchase price of $202,000. The median monthly rent of the average 3-bedroom home in Albuquerque was $1,207, which is over 0.92% of the median purchase price of $190,000. In the neighborhoods where Real Wealth Network members invest, the median monthly rent of real income properties was $1,223. This is 0.93% of the median purchase price of $156,000. This shows us that there's an opportunity to generate passive monthly cash flow in Albuquerque at a higher rent-to-purchase ratio than the national average. Over the last 7 years, the average 3-bedroom, single-family home in the Albuquerque metro has appreciated at a steady rate of 2.38% per year, or 15.15% total, versus 6% per year, or 41% total, nationwide. During the same period, the median rental price for 3-bedroom single-family homes in Albuquerque has appreciated at a rate of 1.13% per year, or 7% total, versus 2.67% per year, or 17% total, nationwide. All of this tells us that, while Albuquerque home values and rents are rising, the area is not experiencing the wild appreciation or depreciation swings of many other markets. This is a good indication that the Albuquerque real estate market is a bit more stable than other U.S. markets, which makes investing here less risky. Albuquerque is also experiencing steady population growth, which is a good indication of a strong real estate market. Since 2010, the population in Albuquerque has increased by 2.38%. The national population grew by 5.29% during the 7-year period. This shows us that Albuquerque is experiencing consistent growth year after year, and although this growth isn't staggering, it's another indicator that Albuquerque's real estate market will continue to be stable in years to come. Between August 2017 and August 2018, the number of jobs in the Albuquerque metro increased at a rate of 1.93%. Nationally, the number of jobs increased by only 1.73% during this period. This shows us that the number of jobs in Albuquerque has increased 11% faster than the national average. This is a good sign that more people will continue moving to the area. More people equals more demand for rental housing, and this is good news for buy and hold investors. So let's do a quick recap. Number 1, Albuquerque is affordable. Albuquerque home values are as much as 23% lower than the national average, which means real estate here is uniquely affordable. Number 2, Albuquerque offers cash flow opportunities. There's an opportunity to generate passive monthly cash flow in Albuquerque at a higher rent-to-purchase ratio than the national average. Number 3, Albuquerque is stable. Albuquerque home values and rents are not rising rapidly, but they are rising consistently. This is a good indication that the Albuquerque real estate market is a bit more stable than other U.S. markets, which makes investing here less risky. Number 4, Albuquerque's population is steadily growing. Albuquerque is experiencing consistent population growth year after year. Although this growth isn't staggering, it's another indicator that Albuquerque's real estate market will continue to be stable in years to come. Number 5. Albuquerque is creating new jobs. In the last year, the number of jobs in Albuquerque has increased 11% faster than the national average. This is a good sign that more people will continue moving to the area. More people equals more demand for rental housing, and this is good news for buy and hold investors.